Of recent, we got, apart from the guns you are seeing, we have tents that we are creating camps inside the forest. You are called forest guard the forest, chase out the criminals in the forest.
Because before, they just answer the name of forest guard and they're not doing anything.
Not with Governor Peter Mba. You believe I sleep 4 hours a day? The maximum I go, 5 hours.
5 hours a day?
Yes. Because you must monitor your men. Even those you delegated assignments, there are reports they should give you.
Yep.
Because I must make sure that I have my reports by 4 a.m. You give me duty roster that these men are stationed A, B, C. Let me get there and not see them. We need to establish a discipline force that knows what to do as at when to do it. Not the ones that will see this job that just to wear the uniform and booga around the community and forest guard drinking from palm wine parlor to another. It's not tolerated. I'm the commander. If I don't go to beer parlor during my office hour to sit down, I'm going around to make sure you are on duty, then you are somewhere drinking. The law of the Forest Guard in Enugu State permits me to dismiss you. I was once in the AFCC. I see how they operate. I was once in the police. I lived in the Air Force barrack. I see how the military discipline their men. Yeah. I'm combining all this together to make sure that we get the best of the best personnel for the Enugu State Forest Guard.
Wow.
Name seen on the Anambra. So what are you talking about? I know my grandfather's house. So it's not something you can hide from me.